Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you immunity boosting muffins. These muffins are made using the ingredients that we normally use to make a kada, and also the three important essentials to boost immunity, which is vitamin C, curcumin and zinc. In this recipe we will get vitamin C from the orange juice and the orange rind. We will get the curcumin from turmeric, and we will get the zinc from the assorted nuts that we are using. Plus all the goodness of a kada, all the ingredients we use to make a kada at home, I have put that in this muffin. So my children don't drink kada, so I make these muffins at home and I give it to them, and they relish it. So at least I'm happy that they're taking in something which is slightly immunity boosting. So it's super simple and it's easy and it's also eggless. So let's get started. For the immunity cupcakes, I'm going to be using atta, butter. If you don't want to use butter, you can use ghee. I have jaggery, I have buttermilk, I have orange juice, I have one apple which I have grated up, I have cardamom powder, clove powder, turmeric, tulsi leaves, black pepper powder, cinnamon powder, orange rind, baking soda, baking powder and assorted nuts. First I will take all the dry ingredients. I will take the cardamom powder, I will take the clove powder, I will take the turmeric, I will take the black pepper powder, the cinnamon powder, the baking soda and the baking powder. I will, these are all the dried powders. I will take this and I will mix these well and keep this aside. I am also putting in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix it and keep it aside. I will take the butter in a bowl and I will take the jaggery and I will just cream this together. Once I have creamed that well, I will take the apple which I have pureed and I will mix it with the butter. To this I will add the buttermilk and the orange juice also and mix this well. To this I will add the orange rind and the chopped tulsi leaves and mix this up. The mixture will curdle slightly. That is perfectly okay. You don't have to worry, because once you put in the dry ingredients, it will mix up well again. Once this has been done, we will take the dry ingredients which we had mixed and kept on the side and just mix this well to a nice consistency. We can take the nuts that we have, the mixed nuts, and we can put half of them inside and mix these up. The batter for the cupcakes is now ready. We will put them in the lined muffin tray and bake them in the oven. On the batter, I am putting some nuts that I have left over. Once I have filled this up, this will go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 17 to 18 minutes till they are done. And the cupcakes are ready. as you can see, they are super soft and
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।